The life cycle of a snowman. Stage 1. Snow. The life cycle of a snowman begins with snow, and to build a snowman we need lots and lots of it. Snowflakes fall from the sky and the ground begins to be covered in a blanket of soft snow. Each individual snowflake is very small, but when they all come together, they are great for rolling. Stage 2. Roll. Next, it's time to start rolling. When the snow is just right, we can roll big snowballs across the ground. The more we roll, the bigger the snowball gets. To make a snowman, you traditionally need 3 large balls of snow, each slightly smaller than the last. Once you have rolled the snow together, it's then time for Stage 3, Stacking. Stacking is the trickiest part of building a snowman. We start with the biggest snowball on the bottom, then stack a medium one on top, and finish with a small snowball for the head. And just like that, a snowman is starting to take shape. We've got the body, the middle and the head. But wait, we're not finished yet. We still need to dress the snowman up. Stage 4, Dress. Every snowman is different, and just like each snowflake, every snowman is completely unique and can be dressed however you'd like. How about a scarf to keep him warm, or a nice cosy hat to top off the look? Don't forget buttons for his tummy and a carrot for his nose, maybe even some twigs for arms. Now our snowman is looking great. He's ready to smile and wave at everyone passing by. What a wonderful snowman we've created. Stage 5, Melt. But like all good things, the snowman's life must come to an end. When the sun comes out and the temperature rises, something starts to happen. Our snowman begins to melt. Little by little, the snowman starts to shrink and lose his shape. The snow turns back into water and flows away. But don't worry, when it snows again, we can build a brand new snowman. And that's the life cycle of a snowman. From snowing, rolling, stacking, dressing and finally melting. It's so much fun. Thanks for joining us to find out all about the life cycle of a snowman. See you next time.